Hey guys, I have some new deals to share with you today. We have Home Depot, Lowe's, Acme Tools, and Amazon. For the Amazon deals, they will be linked down below. Everything else, we're using the YouTube shopping link, so see those boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere. Some pretty good deals on this Monday. Some are deal of the day deals. Other ones have longer legs. They'll be good for a while, so just kind of pay attention to that. First one at Home Depot, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2-tool combo kit, hammer drill, and impact driver. Normally $3.99 down to $1.99. Now this is a pro special buy of the week. So if you want to check out the other special buys of the week, you know what's interesting? It calls it a special buy of the week, and then the countdown shows it's a special buy of the day. It's one of the two. But we're getting two fuel tools. You're getting the hammer drill and the impact driver. So upgrade for most people, maybe replace your old regular standard drill or add in addition to get a fuel tool. Maybe yours isn't brushless, older model, but it's only $100 a piece for two fuel tools. Really good there. First Amazon deal that I want to share with you is this Blacklight Bar. We did a community post on it earlier, but it's a 10-watt 4-pack, 1-foot LED blacklight. These are magnetic, USB powered, so super easy. You can take them anywhere. And Halloween is right around the corner. Who doesn't love a bunch of black lights for Halloween? Normally $21.99, but there is a 50% discount on the Amazon page, making them just about $11 for a 4-pack. What's that, $2.50 a piece? $3 a piece? Does work on multiple quantities. You can also maybe use the black light on your sheets, your pillow. Disgusting bodily fluids illuminating. Over at Lowe's, we have a deal of the day. The DeWalt half-inch cordless combo kit, normally $189 down to $99. You have a hammer drill here with the 2 amp hour battery. You see the D in the model number there, meaning we're getting one 2 amp hour battery. Now, I believe this was the DCB 102. I couldn't read it. If it is, and it might be say 107. Either way, it's one of the slower chargers, which is typically paired when we have the small batteries. Kind of makes sense. But it's a brushless tool, hammer drill, normally $189, today only $99. Of course, you're getting free shipping. Does it say here? DCB 107, I think that's 1.25 output. So get yourself a DCB 115 or DCB 1106, and you'll get a much faster charge on your batteries. Brushless, 2 amp hour battery, hammer drill. Over at Acme Tools today, they have a flash sale on reconditioned tools. Now, there's 267 total items included. You're getting 15% off. I'm going to link this down below because YouTube won't let me link to a page like this. I have to link to individual products. Now, for this, I'm always looking at the Ego stuff. When it comes to the reconditioned sale, they seem to have some good mixes of sale prices with the additional 15% off, and the Ego stuff is so expensive. If we look, there's 52 total Ego items, but you see the Milwaukee and other things, Bosch in here as well. So if you don't mind the reconditioned tools, you can get some pretty good discounts, save an additional 15%. Back to Home Depot, we got the Milwaukee M12 Subcompact drill and impact driver with 2 batteries. Normally $299 down to $169. This is pretty close to the Black Friday pricing. I believe the same combo kit was $149 for Black Friday. But you're getting 2 6 amp hour batteries to go with it, so some big boy batteries. And these 6s might go great with another deal that I'm going to show you in a second here. Another Milwaukee M12, obviously, because it uses those batteries. But really like it. I'm excited to come to that deal here in a minute. But 2-tool combo kit, the subcompact, brushless tools, some of their lightest, most compact tools, and still really capable. And you're getting 2 with really good batteries for just over $150. Back to Amazon, the 100-foot outdoor LED strip lights comes with the remote, also can be app controlled. These are outdoor lights, use it for your pool, balcony, roof garden. So this is by roperry. It's 100 feet, normally $37.44. Now, right now, it is a 30% discount at the checkout page. I listed this as a community post with that first deal that I showed you. At that time, they were both 50% off. So they've had a bunch of sales. They've reduced the discount. That's what happens. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, turn on all notifications so you get a heads up when those come out. Because if you wanted this, you could have saved 50%. Now you can only save 30. Look what you just did to yourself. I try to tell people. But app controlled, remote controlled, you link them together. Here you can see one of the joints where you're linking together all of the LEDs. Really kind of cool, not too bad a price once you take 30% off. 100 feet. Over at Lowe's, this is another deal of the day. You got the Kobalt 28-inch, 43-inch steel adjustable roller stand. Normally $40, down to $29.98, saving $10 today only. Love little stands like this. And one thing is, I like how the little kick down for the little guard on the side. See over here, we got it. Look at that. I like that. One, I like that it exists. Two, I like that you can easily get it out of the way if you don't want it. And of course, adjustable height. Love using little rollers like this. I wish mine had the little side stop. So every once in a while, you're working on a long board, it's getting a little cockeyed on you, and you don't want to go all in, This is easier. Much better. Muy bueno. Back to Acme. Have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 17-inch dual battery string trimmer kit. Normally $6.99 down to $3.99. If you check out other retailers for that guy, they're all at $6.99. Acme was the only one I could find with it on sale. But you're getting those two big boy batteries to go with it. Those are 8 amp hour batteries for people who have some serious weed whacking to do. You're whacking all the weeds with this guy. Normally $6.99, almost half off, $3.99 with two big-ass batteries, the dual-port charger, Milwaukee fuel tool, all the things. Love this deal. Over at Home Depot, the Milwaukee M12 cordless, 9 gallons per minute, 0 horsepower. Boy, that's impressive. Love 0 horsepower. Submersible stick. Well, I've driven some cars that I feel like had 0 horsepower. Try to pass people and they think you're going to get killed. Like, I thought I hit the gas. In fact, I thought the gas went to the floor. Why am I going slower? Submersible stick water transfer pump with two 5 amp hour batteries. Normally $4.19. 53% off, down to $1.99. So you're getting two big ass batteries. If you got that previous deal with the 6s, you're gonna have 5s. You're gonna be 6s. You're gonna be just pumping water all day long. But it shows in the graphic. Meter boxes, catch basins, trenches, sump pump pits. Wonder how it would do for draining a pool. Might not be the best. Might not be the best option. A hot tub, maybe. Drain your hot tub with one of these things? I think that would work. I don't know. I really want it. That's a lot of reviews. 446 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Plus, you're getting those two big ass batteries. That's $100 at least worth of batteries. You're only paying $100 for the stick. Might have to pull the trigger on that one, fellas. What do you think? I like it. Another Amazon deal for you. The 12-volt electric ratchet cordless 3/8 9 sockets adapter. 55 foot-pounds of torque. This is by SnapFresh. They actually sent me a reciprocating saw back in 2001, 2002 maybe. $47.49 comes with 2 batteries, but we have a 40% promo code. It's going to be about $28. Getting 2 batteries to go with that. Full kit. Don't know when it expires. I did just try the code before starting up the video, and it is good right now. Of course, you click right there, copies the code to the clipboard of your device. You can paste it at the checkout screen on Amazon. Handy dandy case, charger, 2 batteries, and your cordless ratchet for about $28 after the promo code. 55 foot-pounds of torque. Kobalt deal over at Lowe's for you. You have the 4-piece 2-inch combination tip screwdriver. Got to have one of these. Perfect to have in the vehicle. Never know when you might need it. I actually have one of these slapped on the magnetic toolbar right above my bench because it's just the quickest and easiest way to grab a screwdriver when you need it. Normally $10 down to $4.98. Of course, you can buy online and pick up in store. Or if you are a silver or gold member over at Lowe's, you can actually get that shipped to you for free, which is actually kind of nice. You have to spend $500 over a course of a year at Lowe's to get that free shipping, if it still is what it was when I started getting the free shipping. So make sure when you buy stuff in store, put in your phone number, your email address, wherever your account's attached to, so you get credit towards that free shipping threshold. $4.98, $5 off, multi-bit screwdriver. Back to Home Depot, we got the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt cordless 4.5-inch angle grinder, getting a 2 amp hour battery with that. Normally $149 down to $59.97, saving 60% on the angle grinder. Wish it was a little bit better. I know it's a high performance, but the 2 amp hour battery, I feel like the angle grinder, if I'm using it, I might be sitting there a couple of minutes, and the 2 amp hour battery is not going to have a ton of life. It's nice to include a battery for you, but let's kick that up to like a 4 or a 5 or something. Of course, you guys know the Ryobi Day deals. We've talked about it. Gosh, we've talked about it a couple of times now. The 2-pack for $99, the 3-pack for $199, and the string trimmer. I forgot the price of it, but you get a free tool with that one as well. I think all of these are wrong. Got a solar bug zapper on Amazon. Mosquito zapper, waterproof electric fly zapper, rechargeable mosquito killer, 10-watt solar panel by OnBeam. This thing looks so cool. Normally $60, but we have a 50% promo code. Again, I just checked this one as well. $29.99, goes through the 16th, have several days as long as they don't kill the code early. Stick that in your yard, your garden, aim it to the south. Unless you're in Australia, I guess they would aim it to the north, wouldn't they? Don't their toilets go the wrong way? I think that was a Simpsons episode. So you learn things. Knifey spoony. Solar bug zapper. $29.99. Back to Home Depot. The DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max SDS plus hammer drill. Getting a 5 amp hour battery to go with that. Normally $388 down to $219. Got that 5 amp hour battery. That middle porridge that I love. Get the great runtime. Not too much weight and bulkiness on it. You got drill mode. You got hammer drill mode. It's a little depth guy. Depth gauge. $219. Amazon 35-foot solar string lights, outdoor, waterproof, remote, USB port, 10+1 LED shatterproof bulbs, dimmable solar lights by That's an L, right? That's not a capital I. It looks like it's got a little tail thing to it. Adlon. 35 footers, normally $15.99, 31% off. It's going to be real close to $10. This is good for today only. This is the only day you can take advantage of this deal for $10. I actually bought a different set. I think it was a 50-foot set by the same company. I just got it. I haven't gotten a chance to use it yet. And what actually I want to use it for is I have one of those folding canopies, for like tenting, tailgating type stuff. And since this is solar power, super portable, I also have a package of those reusable Velcro straps for like cords and stuff. And I'm going to wrap this around the roof of the canopy thing using those reusable Velcros and then just aim the solar panel somewhere, towards the sun. And I think it'll be pretty cool at night. A little camping, portable, temporary lighting. I'll let you know after I get a chance to use it, but the code won't work by the time I can tell you. So for $10, just pick it up. Maybe try my idea before me, and let me know how it works. Then I'll know if I should even try it or not. Home Depot, you got the DeWalt 15-amp 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. This is the DWF779. It goes on sale every once in a while. It says normally $629. I wouldn't pay the full price for it. The sale price is typically about $3.99, so we're a couple dollars better than what you normally see it out in the Y. $3.93 and not $3.99. But when you can catch it on sale, it's a good deal. It's been around forever. But seems to be a pretty popular. I mean, look at 5 out of 5 stars. 4.8 out of 5. That's about the highest maybe you'll ever get, especially after 4,200 reviews. So very well reviewed. Been around for a long time. Sliding. $3.93. Amazon Power Inverter by Bestek, 4.8 amp dual USB fast charging port, 300 watt. Plug it into the cigarette lighter there, or the 12 volt outlet, and get you 300 watts. Looks like we have two AC ports. Oh, I gotta get close. Is that a USB-C? Does it say anything about a USB-C? It shows two USB ports. Did it say USB-C here anywhere? Boy, it kind of looks like one up there. I don't know. $26.99, 28% off, real close to $20. Let's call it $20 between friends. So there it is, guys. The Amazon deals will be linked down below. The Acme Tools flash sale will be linked down below. Everything else is the YouTube shopping links. Those boxes were popping up throughout. Just starting the day, really, on finding the new deals. So check out the website throughout the day. Next couple hours, a bunch of new things will be popping up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.